Alright, let's do an unboxing of this. Alright. Okay. I opened it, and I tested it a few times. That's already popping out. Alright, let's close it back up. Yeah, this phone is no more. Yeah. What else do we have? The back of the phone and the battery came out. Give me that battery. Oh no. Alright. And that leaves me with you. Oh yeah. This hammer will do the trick. Hey, let's use the backside. The screen is starting to break. Yeah. Glass is definitely coming out. Alright. I'll try and get that glass out. And then I'll do the big finale. Then move on to the next phone. Missed. Alright. Well, that's it for the phone. Time to move on to the next. Alright, time to move on to the iPhone 4. Alright, let's unbox this. Well, here's the phone. And then, don't care about that. Charger and USB cable, I think. Alright, well, yeah, there we go. Trash. And that trash. Alright, I want to worry about this first. And this. Yeah, I kind of broke the brick.
Oh, but now.
Okay. Okay. Outside. Alright, good. Let me have these baseballs right here. Baseball number 1. Miss. Baseball number 2. Miss again. That's strike 1, strike 2. Baseball number 3. Strike 3. You're. Alright, I found this. My mom just gave me this rock. Oh yeah, it's messed up now. Let's use one of these corners. Get the power button there. Oh yeah, that's messed up. Okay. Yeah, that's messed up. Alright, time to do the back. We're gonna draw on it. Dirt just flew up and hit me. It's starting to look exactly like the screen. Oh yeah, that came off. That's a lot of glass. Ah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I almost cut myself with glass, but that's the iPhone on the back and the front. This is what happens when you give a kid a rock and say, go smash something. This is the stuff that happens.